Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Asia. If you are new, welcome. So today I just did a really cute, simple eye look using this new Nude by Huda Beauty. I don't know why I want to say Huda Booty. It's weird. Okay. This new Huda Beauty palette. It's really pretty, really soft. All the colors are super pink and purple and just very girly in my opinion. So I was super excited to go pick this palette up. But yeah, that's what I did in today's video. So if you want to see how I got today's makeup look, especially the eyes because they are the center of the show, then please continue watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I really want to try out this new palette because I don't know, I'm intrigued. It looks really pretty. Let me open this. So this is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty. There are 10 buttery mattes, 4 multi-reflective shadows, 2 pressed glitters, and 1 pressed pearl and 1 concealer. Sorry, I was reading it upside down. But yeah, so this is really pretty. I already played in it a little bit. I used the glitter and let me tell you, it was a hot mess, okay? I've never used glitter. I don't know how to use glitter. So we're gonna keep trying, and once I figure it out, then we will do a video on it, maybe. But yeah, so like I said, I already primed my eyes, so I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna take this shade in the corner right here, called Teddy, and I'm gonna just buff that and use that as like a transition color, I guess. Oh wow, this color is really pretty. So I'm gonna take this small M213 brush and go back into Teddy and kind of make it a more noticeable line, I guess. I'm kind of going to keep it right up here. This eye look is super simple. I'm only using 2 colors, even though I want to play with all of the colors in the palette. I'm only going to use 2 shadows today. Okay. And now I'm going to take my concealer, my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. And I'm going to just place this all down here. My eyelids are super little, so it looks a little weird. Not gonna lie. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This one's called Crave, and it's kind of like white. I don't know, it's like light pink beigey color with little white specks in it, if that makes any sense at all. And I'm just gonna take that on my finger. The shade looks like that, and just go right over the concealer and kind of stick it there. Now I'm gonna just soften the edges out. So I'm just gonna go in with my All Day Luminous, my Luminous Silk Foundation, by Giorgio Armani, just because I don't think anything matches me at the moment, which sucks because I have a lot of foundations and they're all like the same color, which is very annoying. Unfortunate. Okay, so I'm just gonna dot this on my face. Concealer, I'm just gonna take my Born This Way concealer, my Fenty Beauty matchstick in Mocha, even though this low-key breaks me out. I love it. Then I'm gonna take my Becca bronzer in Panama Sun. Looks like this. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna take this random e.l.f. blush and this random blush that I don't know, I just like it. It's pink, so we're gonna stay in the pink theme. The name rubbed off completely. Yeah, I can't even, everything's rubbed off. I don't know, sorry, but yeah. So the two blushes like that. I'm just gonna swerve my brush in. Ooh, I'm so pink, I love it. Okay, so I was gonna do a nude. I'm so boring, I always do nudes, but I'm gonna try to, let me wipe off my chapstick. I'm gonna try to switch it up and do pinky, I guess, because pink is the theme today. But first I'm going to highlight. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petal. It just looks like this, really pretty. Nice subtle glow. So I'm gonna take this My Morphe lip liner in Sweet Tea. I'm just gonna line my lips. Okay. Now that my lips are lined, I don't know if I want to go into MAC Velvet Teddy. It's a mini size, or my Dose of Colors Nude Chica. Let me see. I don't really like liquid lipsticks, honestly. I don't know why I keep buying them, because I'm not really a fan. But here are the two colors. I'm thinking, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Velvet Teddy for this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in. And then just go back over it really quick with my liner. Okay, so this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. It's really cute, very girly in my opinion. I feel like anything pink is automatically super girly. But yeah, it was super easy. I feel like this would look really cute in the daytime or even a night out. It's a really cute palette. I definitely can see myself using this a lot in the future, just because it just looks so like soft and cute and girly and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the completed look. Let me know what else, what kind of videos you guys would like to see in the future. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.